Hello everyone. I am going to show you how to do simple, very simple equations in Excel. So I'm going to show you how to do add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Very easy, and it's basically the same setup. So we're going to start over here at add, and we are going to go into this little box. So in my case, it's going to be B6, and we are going to press equal. You're going to press equal for each one of these. And we are going to start out with my B3, which in this case is 5. We are going to plus, and then all you have to do is click on the box. Enter. We have 11. So 5 plus 6 equals 11. Easy enough. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to do equal. We're going to hit the first box, which is 6 or D3. And in this case, we're going to subtract 6 from 10. And we're going to press enter. We have -4. And multiplication, same thing, equals. We're going to do 5, which is the G3. We're going to do multiply by 5, G4, enter. Division, same thing, equals. We're going to press on the box J3. This time, we're going to do this little slant here, and then J4, enter. And that is how you do the simplest add, subtract, multiply, and divide. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.